Guys, I'm gonna show y'all how to put your wig on, okay? First you do your wig cap. This one's tiny, so I had to cut my ears out to pull it down so that this is not on my edges. So now, before we glue it down, gotta get your powder, cause this is light. Get some face powder and put it on your cap like so. Okay. You do that all around the cap like this. Okay. I'm trying to do this quick because this hurts because it's small and it's on my ears now. But as y'all can see, put all the color. And that's where my part is, so put it there too. Now you're gonna get some Got To Be, and you're just gonna spray around the edges where you want it to lay down. Okay. It's not super glue, it doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see. It comes down pretty far. So now what you want to do is get a hair dryer, blow it down. And you just do this till it's dry, okay? Now you want to get some scissors. I just happen to have some tiny ass scissors, but they don't have to be like really small. And then start cutting your lace cap. Hold on, I gotta look at the mirror. I can't look at it. Okay. Let me go ahead and free my ears, cause ow. This one didn't dry that much. Hold on, guys. Okay, so all I did was add a little bit more Got To Be and blow dried it again. But the sides are always the hardest part for me. Like, I still am like pretty new at doing this. So this is very beginner friendly because I barely know what I'm doing. But yeah, all you do is use your scissors, cut to where it's should be melted to your head. And yeah, as you can see, we really want to cut that big thick band off, and then you can go back and get the little extra pieces. And like I said, it's not super glue, so you can literally like pull up if you need more forehead space. My forehead tiny, so I be needing to get right to the hairline, you feel me? So yeah, just do it to your liking. So I did that. Look, almost showing hair. I told y'all my forehead just small. But anyways, so at this stage, I like to, especially if my lace is already cut, like this is the wig I've been wearing, so my lace is already cut on it and everything. So I'm gonna put it on real quick, make sure everything look good. Okay. So I'm just looking at the edges, making sure nothing too long, making sure when you put it down it's gonna look okay. And this is just really if you've already been wearing the wig and the lace is already cut. I might cut this a little bit because this is kind of having to stretch this to cover that. So once everything looks good for you, you're gonna get really supposed to use a cotton ball, but I ain't got no cotton balls right now, so this is just tissue. So please use cotton balls, because this really, once you put the wig on and everything, this is annoying. Like, it leaves like tissue residue that you have to pick out. Like, that is annoying. That is annoying. I apologize for not being prepped. But yeah, clean around the edges, especially since we put makeup on the cap. Once your forehead is clean, you're gonna use your primer for your glue. Now the glue, the brand I'm using is Esha. It's either Esha or Esha. Lace Wig Balm lace glue, and it comes with a primer. So, and I had to learn that this primer takes up the got to be. So I be using like the little cardboard thing the wig cap be on. I be using that to like shield it while I spray. So you're just gonna spray this around where you're gonna put the glue, and just watch for your eyes, y'all. The spray is kind of, it goes everywhere for some reason. But you just gonna do this around your forehead, okay? Before you put the glue on. Okay, so now for the glue. I just be using plastic knives from the kitchen. I've seen girls use like popsicle sticks, but I ain't going out and buying popsicle sticks when this work fine. So you're going to dot around your forehead. Oh, mirror. And I just put it real close to the cap. I've heard people say like to put some on the cap, so I do that a little bit, but they say don't make it too thick. I use dots like this, and then I just use the knife to rub it out. Like so. Once you got it wiped out like this, I get my hair dryer, I put it on low. They tell you to blow on it just a little bit, like, well actually I think they said the first like few layers you let like almost completely dry, and I think the last layer you blast it like a second and like let it get tacky, and then you put it down. So I typically do like three layers of glue, because this glue, it like, I'm not rebuying it because my wig be staying on for like a week, and I be hearing girls say their wigs stay on like for 3 weeks doing this method. So either I'm doing something wrong or it's the wrong glue, period. So yeah, so do this. So you know when it's dry, when it gets clear like this. So we're gonna do another layer, just like we did this one, and then the last layer, we're gonna blow it real quick, and then we're gonna put on the wig, period. So I'm gonna come back when we got the last layer on. But I was just gonna say, back to me not having my wig on for very long, I do have to realize, like I said, my forehead is small. So when my wig slides, you see how my hair is already out? It gets just like that. Like, you instantly see my hair. So I'll be instantly having to take it off. Like, other people, they would be like down here, because they forehead kind of bigger. So if it slides for them, they can still work with it. So that might be it, you know. My head just small, and I'll be having to take it off. So I forgot, like, the last layer can't be on there for too long or it's gonna dry. So I'm doing the dots now for that one. And when I do this last one, I spread them out a little bit more, because we already got a lot of glue going on. So, as you can see, I put a little bit, I rub a little up on the cap. So that's how I put a little bit on the cap. Okay. So once it's spread out, I do a little blast with the blow dryer on low. Just to put a little heat on it. Because you want it to be just a little tacky. Alright. Then we start to put the wig on. This is scary. Okay. There we go. So it's not on the glue. Okay. So first I take the middle. And I kind of need my light now. Hold on. There we go. I can't see. Alright. So first I take the middle and put it where I want it. Right there. Okay. Remove the hair. And try to avoid like putting it down, pulling it up, because that's gonna like make it less tacky when you finally put it on. So slowly put the edges where you want them. And press down. I can already see where I put too much glue, like in there. It's gonna be okay. I think I normally like go ahead and do my baby hairs because that's how we gonna like fix all this where you see the cap. But no, what I was trying to say, now I think this is when I normally like lay it, but I think I'm gonna do my baby hairs first and then lay it, so you can knock two birds out, you feel me? So also to help with like the glue, I find that makeup wipes work really well. So I managed to fix the excess glue situation, and I literally just used a makeup wipe. So honestly, if you want to, for this step after you put the wig on, if you want to just use a makeup wipe for the excess glue, it works a-okay. Yeah, I just used a makeup wipe. I was scraping it, like took a little minute. Almost got on my nerves, but it's good. So we're gonna start on the baby hairs and get going on that. Okay, so my edges are done, and they just be hit or miss for me. I don't know if they're hit or miss today. It's like I feel like this side is a hit and this side is a miss. Especially over here, bro. Like I don't know what's going on with it. Like I feel like I didn't really cut baby hairs right here, but whatever. You know what? Whatever. So now I'm gonna tie this down so we can get laid. Period. Okay. Okay. So I took my scarf off. Yeah. I almost don't really need makeup, but I'm gonna still put makeup in the part because y'all can see. I'm gonna learn how to bleach my knots. That's gonna be the next thing I do. I'm gonna learn how to bleach my knots. But now I still wear AliExpress wigs. This is an AliExpress wig. And if you're lighter, the lace, their lace is like pretty dark. It's like a grayish tint to it, which as you can see, it works on my skin. You can't really tell too much, but I know somebody fair, it probably won't work. So this is it. This is the wig. It's a process, but I love the process. Like I love coming together, period. I'm probably going to fix that because I just can't do it. And it's the wig I said I didn't like down, but after a wash, these curls look so cute. What's that? Hold on. Period. But yeah, guys, that's how you put on your wig, period. You don't need to book nobody to put on your wig, girl. Go and get cute, period. But thanks, guys. Hope it helped you.